Hi, I'm James from TowSafe. I'm here to introduce the new trailer saver, DF6 Air Ride Gooseneck Hitch. The DF6 stands for Dual Force Technology provided by 6 airbags. The DF6 uses opposing force technology to balance your trailer hitch weight and create a true shock-absorbing system. The DF6 uses a set of 6 airbags, 4 carrying the load and 2 opposing in the down direction to damp vibration. Simply load the hitch and add air until the middle cassette reaches the load line. That's it. You'll notice the difference right away. I guarantee you'll notice before you even leave the parking lot. DF6 removes all the harsh vibration, bumps, potholes. It's going to feel like you're floating down the road without any vibration at all. This robust design is rated for up to 6,500 pounds hitch weight, which means your trailer will be perfectly balanced for any load up to 6,500 pounds, whether you're hauling cars, heavy equipment, or even horses. As with all of our products, the DF6 is made right here in Michigan using high-quality Firestone airbags, the original inventors of the airbag. Other products on the market use a single airbag or coil spring with a small shock. The problem is these systems aren't strong enough to absorb the force when the air spring or coil spring bounces back. Instead, it allows the trailer to continue bouncing, making for a rough ride. If your tow vehicle also has airbags in the suspension, this can make the problem worse. With the truck and trailer bouncing off each other in a repeating cycle can make for a rough and unstable drive. The DF6 prevents this and ensures the best possible ride for the driver and the precious cargo in the trailer. So whether you're hauling heavy equipment, cars, or livestock, you'll enjoy personal comfort and prevent damage to your trailer and tow vehicle. As always, the DF6 is backed by a full 60-day money-back guarantee and a full 3-year warranty. You have nothing to lose but shock and vibration. The DF6, get yourself a 6-pack. Your friends will be jealous and your horses will thank you.